Hi everybody, welcome to Art Day! It's time to paint! Being a little heavier on the colors towards the right hand side because the tree is going to be at the left hand side, and birch trees do have white stems, so I don't want the color to be too intense where the tree trunk is gonna be. Bring in the end of the tree. When it comes to birch trees, they are quite narrow on the bottom. They are not too wide, like for example oak trees. They are way more wider at the bottom as they are on the midsection or top section of the trunk, but that's not the case for birch trees. There. Okay, another thing to saw, and I'm only having water on my brush. This line is too harsh for me, I don't like it. So I'm having it feather out, maybe grass blades or whatever. It's just a little too harsh on the as a line there for me personally. So that's better. More drying. Just taking a little bit of paint spray and just adding one more layer here around the tree trunk to darken things underneath the tree, because there is quite some dark stuff going on. It's called shadow and it's natural.